can't talk to me if you... You see the smile that she give me? Do you know what? Yes, and I remember your face.
Like, why am I on video right now?
You know what you're supposed to do now?
No, I'm not kissing on no mistletoe. Don't make sure.
So why you not hug me upon a mistletoe then? Hey, why not hug?
Who are you representing right now?
I am representing myself. You know, I represent myself.
Keep it above the foot them dirty here. Just walking and
tell me, what are your plans for the Christmas holidays?
I don't celebrate Christmas.
You don't celebrate Christmas? Anymore? You say anymore? Why?
For 19 years now.
Wow.
Yes.
Why?
Because I realized that there was a point in my life where I wanted to. I was on a Christian path.
Right.
And I realized that these celebrations are not in line with that.
With Christianity?
Yeah, so let it go.
Okay, so...
For me, it's very commercialized and it has nothing to do with Christ. It has everything to do with Santa and give.
So are you still a Christian?
Yes,
you still believe in Christ?
Yes,
okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. That hasn't changed. But why I say that is, you know, we're not really living a truthful Christian life. It's different from just saying, oh, I'm a Christian here.
Right.
You know, type of thing.
So are you going to do anything special, by the way? Not matter. Just a regular day for you. Right, there you have it. It's a regular day.
So where is it going to be posted?
It's a regular day. So if it's on a Friday, we're going to have jerk chicken, right?
I stopped eating meat recently as well.
Hold on, man. So you stop eating meat as well? Recently?
Yes.
So if it's on a Friday, we're having bush.
Not bush. You can have vegan stew, you can have lentils, you can have rundown, you can have tofu rundown, you can have escovitch tofu, you can have so many different things that are nutritious, tasty, and healthy.
No, I am learning. You're a fat vegan.
Yeah, you can put that in there too. Or chubby, fluffy, whatever you want.
Fluffy. Yeah, I like fluffy. I like fluffy. A fluffy
people
vegan.
Here vegan, they think skinny, you know.
Okay. Yeah, automatically I think that's it. Anyway, wish you all the best for the season.
And you still don't tell me what this is about.
And I'll see you.
I'm a member of many, I don't use them though, but I'll check you out.
You'll use mine.
Right.
Okay, bush eater. Alright, grass eater. Huh? Yeah, my bush eater. But then again, I'm a lion. Yeah, I only eat bush from